Today's class, the valves of human heart. Okay, valves of human heart. See, what is the role of this valves? Where it is located? What are the type of valves we have? That things today we are discussing. Okay. See, valves. What is the role of this valve? It prevents backward flow of blood. Okay, it prevents backward flow of blood. Okay, then the two type of valves are there. One is called as an inlet valves and outlet valves. See, inlet valve means it allows blood into the heart. Okay, into the heart. That is called as an inlet valve. Inlet, inside. This valve allows the blood inside the heart. That is called as an inlet valve. So the inlet valve, two inlet valves are there. Number one is called as an bicuspid valve. Bicuspid valve. The bicuspid valve. Number two is called as an tricuspid valve. So these two valves are called as an inlet valve because it allows the blood inside to the heart. Okay. See, bicuspid valve first, where it is located in bicuspid valve. See, the bicuspid valve, it guards the opening of left auricle to left ventricle. See the bicuspid where it is present, left atrium or left auricle in between the left atrium and the left ventricle. So the bicuspid, it guards the opening of left auricle into left ventricle. It guards the opening of what is that? Left auricle into left ventricle. Okay, left ventricle. That means this valve allows the blood from left atrium into left ventricle. Are you clear? It allows, this bicuspid valve allows the blood from left atrium into left ventricle. Okay. Why it is called as a bicusp? They have a two cusp or two flap. Okay. They have two cusps. Two cusps or a flap, that is called as a bicuspid valve. The next one is called as a tricuspid valve. See, the tricuspid valve, where it is present? It is present in between the right atrium and the right ventricle. Okay. It guards the opening. This tricuspid, this is called as an tricuspid valve. Okay. Tricuspid valve, it guards the opening of right atrium into right ventricle. It guards the opening of right atrium into right ventricle. So, where it is present, it guards the opening of right atrium. Atrium means auricle. Okay, right atrium into right ventricle. Right ventricle. So, in the left side, bicuspid valve. In right side, tricuspid valve. Are you clear? So, in the tricuspid, they have a three cusp or three flaps. Okay, three cusp or three flaps are present. So, it is called as an tricuspid valve. See, so that is called as an inlet valve. Through this valve, blood is entering into or inside the heart or inside the ventricle. Right? So, it is called as an inlet valve. See, when these two valves are closing, we'll hear one sound. In a heartbeat, we can hear lub and dub sound, right? When the lub sound is caused, when the closing of bicuspid and tricuspid valve, it causes lub sound. Okay, closing off bi and tricuspid. Tricuspid valve causes what sound? Lub sound. In the heartbeat we can see what is that? Lub and dub sound, right? Lub and dub sound. When the lub sound is caused, closing of bicuspid and tricuspid valve. Tricuspid valve. So the slow pitched sound, that is called as an dub sound. Okay. Lub sound. Lub sound. The next one is called as an outlet valves. Outlet valves. In outlet valves, what is the role of this outlet valves? See, in outlet valves, only two valves are there. One is called as an pulmonary valve and aortic valve or seminular valve. See, outlet valve. One is called as an pulmonary valve. Pulmonary valve. Another one is called as an semilunar valve or aortic valve. Semilunar or aortic valve. Okay. So these two are called as an outlet valve because these two valves allows the blood from the heart to other part of the body. That's what it's called as an outlet valve. It's sending the blood to outside of the heart. That is called as an outlet. We'll see first one, pulmonary valve. See, the pulmonary valve present in the pulmonary artery. See, when the blood vessel arises from this right ventricle, that is called as an pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery. Okay. See, in this pulmonary artery, there is a valve called as, what is that? Pulmonary valve. So, where it is present, the pulmonary valve? Pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery. What is the role of this pulmonary valve? It allows the blood from right ventricle to lungs. See, it carries the blood to lungs for purification. Are you clear? So, it allows the blood. It allows the blood from see, right ventricle to pulmonary artery. From this, through this pulmonary artery, it reaches into the lungs. Okay. So, it allows the blood from right ventricle to pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery. Then the pulmonary artery leads to lungs. Okay. The lungs, what will happen? Purification of blood. Okay. Oxygenation. So, the exchange of gases takes place in the alveoli. So, that is a pulmonary valve. The second valve is called as an seminular valve or aortic valve. See, the seminular valve is present in aorta. See, already we discussed aorta is the biggest blood vessels in our body, right? In this aorta, there is a semilunar shape. Semilunar shape valve, that is called as an aortic valve or seminular valve. It allows the blood from the left ventricle to aorta. Are you clear? It allows the blood from left ventricle to aorta. So, the seminular valve, where it is present? Present in the aorta. Okay. Then what is the role of this aortic valve? It allows the blood from, it allows the blood from left ventricle to aorta. Okay, aorta. Through this aorta, the blood distributed through various parts of the body. Yes, so that's all about outlet valves. So the human heart valves, what is the role of these valves? It prevents the backward flow of blood, right? So two kinds of valves we learned it. One is called as an inlet valves and outlet valves. See, inlet valve, what and all we learned already. See, bicuspid and a tricuspid valve, right? These two valves, it allows the blood into the heart, right? So that is called as an inlet valve. Bicuspid is present in between the left atrium and the left ventricle. Tricuspid is present in between the right atrium and the right ventricle. Yes. And the next one is called as an outlet valve. It allows the blood from the heart to other part of the body. So it is called as an outlet valves. Pulmonary valves and semilunar or aortic valve. Pulmonary valve is present in the pulmonary artery. Yes. It allows the blood into the pulmonary artery, into the lungs for purification. Then semilunar valve is present in the semilunar aorta. Aorta in this valve is look like a semi-lunar shape. So it is called as a semilunar valve. Where it is present? It is present at the base of the aortic blood vessel or aorta. It allows the blood from left ventricle to all other parts of our body. That's all about the human heart valves.